And Jean, how sure can we be that this is in exchange for the troops that North Korea has been sending to Russia to fight against Ukrainian forces? Well, this started
Mirror check.
in March, so that was before the troops
Mirror check.
arrived in Russia. But after the first shipment of weapons was locked by the US government and the South Korean government here, so that started about August of
Mirror
last
check.
year, and since then we think there's been a pretty steady shipment of weapons from North Korea.
Mirror check.
So the experts I've been speaking to are fairly confident that this oil is really
Mirror
key
check.
for these weapons, and now for the troops. Which
Mirror
you see
check.
is the troops do escalate the situation. We've heard EU, NATO, the USA. So there is no doubt
Mirror
that
check.
oil is a sort of payment for now the weapons and the troops. The bigger question is
Mirror
now
check.
with the troops, which is seeing such a serious escalation, what more is
Mirror check. 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 Left mirror check. Over to the right check. Right mirror check. Left mirror check. Right mirror check. Mirror check. Mirror check. Mirror check. Mirror check. Right, people, so you want to know the difference between a rookie driver and an experienced driver. The mirror checks that I'm prompting you are the mirror checks we make to establish and to assess the road ahead, and to make sure that we're forward planning and we're giving ourselves sufficient time to make the adjustment if necessary. So every time I say mirror check is when we're looking in our mirrors. You can guess and you can type in which one. Mirror check. Right mirror check. Look to the left check. Look to the left again. Inside mirror check. So I've given you guys a clue there of how we look in our mirrors, and now I'll keep prompting mirror checks. Mirror check. Mirror check. Mirror check. Mirror check. Mirror check again. Mirror check again. Mirror check. 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 right mirror check, right mirror check, mirror check, mirror check, mirror check, mirror checks again, mirror checks, mirror checks, mirror checks, and the purpose of these mirror checks are to ensure that we are aware of our surroundings, and the umbrella term is effective observations. It helps you with your forward planning, your lane positioning, and to remain safe in the car at all times. Mirror checks. Mirror checks. Mirror checks. And you'll see that my mirror checks are sequential, so every 3 or 4 seconds I look in the appropriate mirror for the task at hand. So now I'm looking in my inside mirror. Now I plan to move into the lane on the left at some point. So I'm thinking about where and when to make it. So if I was going to go into the, let's say I was following the signs for Horsforth, I would go over the traffic lights so the bulk of this traffic disappears, it filters, so they'll start moving into the lanes on the left and it starts to release the pressure on the junction. I would then contemplate on doing a lane change. If I was following the road ahead and doing a right turn at the roundabout, I wouldn't bother moving. I would remain in this lane.